Seed therapy for dyspnea, that is shortness of breath. Patient aged 66 years had a history of bronchial asthma and inspiratory dyspnea on inspiration. Sujok therapist applied buckwheat seeds to the area corresponding to the lungs. With recommendations to continue the seed therapy, the patient went back to his native town. He put seeds every day for a month and left them for 12 to 14 hours. On arrival, he came to the Sujok Academy and boasted to the therapist that his dyspnea had greatly decreased and practically didn't trouble him.